Imagine this. You wake up in your bright, airy apartment. Sunlight streams through the window. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves of your potted plants. Your home is a sanctuary, free of clutter and filled with only things you love. This is the beauty of minimalist living. Minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about intention. It's about surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy. In the heart of the city, where life is fast-paced, minimalism offers a haven of peace. This lifestyle extends beyond your physical space. It's about simplifying your commitments, reducing waste, and focusing on what truly matters. It's about living with purpose and style, making conscious choices that benefit you and the planet. Minimalism often gets mistaken for austerity. This couldn't be further from the truth. Minimalism is about investing in quality over quantity, choosing experiences over possessions. It's about curating a life that reflects your values. Think of a luxurious hotel suite. It's not cluttered. It's thoughtfully designed with high-quality furnishings and calming aesthetics. This is the essence of minimalist luxury. It's about owning less, but loving what you own more. By decluttering your life, you create space for what truly matters. You have more time for passions, relationships, and self-care. You experience less stress and more joy. This is the true luxury of minimalism. Transitioning to a zero-waste lifestyle can feel daunting, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start small. Focus on one area at a time. Begin by decluttering your home. Donate or sell items you no longer use. Then, identify areas where you can reduce waste. Swap single-use plastics for reusable alternatives. Compost food scraps. Choose products with minimal packaging. These small changes, when adopted consistently, create a ripple effect. They empower you to live more sustainably and inspire others to do the same. Remember, every step towards a zero-waste lifestyle, no matter how small, makes a difference. Decluttering is like a breath of fresh air for your home. It revitalizes your living space, making it feel more open and inviting. And your mind. It's about letting go of things that no longer serve you, both physically and mentally. By removing unnecessary items, you create a sense of calm and order, creating space for what truly matters. Start by choosing a small area, like a drawer or a shelf. This makes the task less overwhelming and more manageable. Hold each item in your hands. Feel its weight and texture. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it add value to your life? If it does, keep it. Cherish it, and find a proper place for it in your home. If it doesn't, thank the item for its service and let it go. Acknowledge the role it played in your life. Donate it, sell it, or recycle it responsibly. This way, it can find a new purpose with someone else or be repurposed. As you declutter your physical space, you'll notice a shift in your mental space. The act of decluttering can be therapeutic, helping you to release emotional baggage. You'll feel lighter, more organized, and more in control. This newfound clarity allows you to focus on your passions, your relationships, and your own well-being. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing everything has its place. Your home becomes a sanctuary, a place where you can truly relax and recharge. This clarity allows you to focus on your passions, your relationships, and your own well-being. Embrace the process of decluttering and experience the profound impact it can have on your life. Investing in forever pieces, quality over quantity. It's about making thoughtful choices that stand the test of time. Fast fashion may be tempting, with its ever-changing trends and low prices, but it comes at a significant cost. It encourages a cycle of consumption and waste, leading to overflowing landfills and environmental degradation. Minimalism encourages us to break free from this cycle and invest in quality over quantity. By owning fewer, better things, we can simplify our lives. Choose timeless pieces that are built to last. These items not only look good, but also feel good, providing comfort and style. Look for clothing made from durable, sustainable materials. These fabrics are not only better for the environment, but also for your skin. Invest in classic designs that won't go out of style. These pieces can be mixed and matched, creating a versatile wardrobe. These pieces may cost more upfront, but they'll save you money in the long run. High-quality items last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements, and they'll bring you joy for years to come. There's a certain satisfaction in owning items that you truly love and cherish. This principle applies to all areas of your life. From your wardrobe to your home, quality should always be a priority. Choose well-made furniture, appliances, and electronics. These items not only perform better but also enhance your living experience. By investing in quality, you consume less, reduce waste, and surround yourself with things you truly love. It's a lifestyle choice that brings lasting satisfaction and peace of mind. Rethinking consumption, saying no to single-use. Single-use plastics are everywhere. They're convenient, but their impact on the environment is devastating. One of the most impactful steps you can take towards a zero-waste lifestyle is to say no to single-use plastics. Carry a reusable water bottle and coffee cup. Bring your own bags to the grocery store. Refuse plastic straws and cutlery. Opt for products with minimal packaging or choose package-free alternatives whenever possible. These small changes might seem insignificant, but they add up. By making conscious choices about what you consume, you reduce your environmental footprint and inspire others to do the same. Embracing the circular economy, repair, reuse, recycle. In a circular economy, we aim to keep resources in use for as long as possible. This means repairing items instead of replacing them, finding new uses for old things, and recycling responsibly. Before you discard something, ask yourself if it can be repaired or repurposed. Can you turn an old t-shirt into a reusable shopping bag? Can you give away unwanted furniture instead of throwing it out? When it comes to recycling, remember that it's a last resort. Reduce and reuse first, then recycle what you can't. By embracing the circular economy, we reduce waste, conserve resources, and create a more sustainable future. The joy of less, finding freedom in minimalism. Contrary to popular belief, minimalism is not about restriction. It's about freedom. It's about making intentional choices that align with your values and priorities. It's about freeing yourself from the weight of possessions, commitments, and expectations. By letting go of what no longer serves you, you create room for what truly matters. It's about creating space for what truly matters. A minimalist lifestyle allows you to focus on the essentials, bringing clarity and peace to your everyday life. When you let go of the need to accumulate more, you experience a sense of liberation. This liberation is not just physical, but also mental and emotional. You're no longer defined by what you own. Instead, you define yourself by your experiences, your relationships, and your personal growth. You're free to pursue your passions, nurture your relationships, and live a life aligned with your values. Minimalism gives you the time and energy to invest in what truly brings you joy. This freedom extends to your finances. By simplifying your life, you reduce unnecessary expenses and make more mindful financial decisions. By consuming less, you save more. This not only benefits your wallet, but also the environment, as you reduce waste and your carbon footprint. You have more financial security and flexibility to pursue your dreams. Whether it's traveling the world, starting your own business, or simply enjoying more quality time with loved ones. Minimalism empowers you to live a life of purpose and intention. It encourages you to seek experiences over possessions and to find joy in the simple things. Ultimately, minimalism is about creating a life that reflects who you truly are and what you truly value. It's about finding freedom in simplicity and joy in less. Living with intention, aligning your values with your lifestyle. Minimalism is about intentionality. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values. It's about asking yourself, does this add value to my life? If the answer is no, let it go. This applies to everything from the possessions you own to the commitments you make. Choose experiences that enrich your life. Spend time with people who inspire you. Dedicate yourself to causes you believe in. By living with intention, you create a life that is both meaningful and fulfilling. You feel a sense of purpose and direction. You're no longer just going through the motions. You're living a life that reflects your truest self. A greener footprint, your impact on the planet. Our planet is facing unprecedented environmental challenges. Climate change, pollution, and resource depletion are real and pressing issues. As individuals, we have a responsibility to live more sustainably. Adopting a minimalist, zero-waste lifestyle is a powerful way to reduce your environmental footprint. By consuming less, reusing more, and making conscious choices, you contribute to a healthier planet for ourselves and for future generations. Every step you take, from refusing single-use plastics to supporting sustainable businesses, makes a difference. you become part of a global movement towards a more sustainable and equitable future. The adventure of minimalism, embracing a life of purpose and style. Embracing a minimalist, zero-waste urban lifestyle is an adventure. It's about challenging the status quo and redefining what it means to live a good life. It's about finding joy in simplicity, freedom in intentionality, and purpose in sustainability. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to a big impact. It's about living a life that is authentically you, a life that is both stylish and sustainable. So take a deep breath, embrace the journey, and discover the joy and fulfillment of a minimalist, zero-waste urban lifestyle. Your adventure awaits.